Hi guys. All right, so I'm out of town this week and I didn't have time to do a whole lot of videos before I left and get them ready, but I did do a quick Bible marker video for you guys that I thought I would share so that you guys would have something this week in the form of a video tutorial. So what I did was I went ahead and just traced out the shape of the bookmark that I wanted onto some watercolor paper, and all my inks and stuff that I normally use were packed in my suitcase. So I tried a new technique with some inks, just some regular stamp inks, and I didn't really like the way they turned out with the smudging. So what I did was I added water to them like I do my distress inks, and I just sprayed a little bit of water on top of them and then just dipped them in it like I usually do on my backgrounds and dried them, and it turned out pretty good. They didn't work as well as the distress inks, but they did work pretty good, so I was pretty pleased with it. And then I went around the edges with a green color after I did the pink and the yellow and just kind of darkened up the edges a little bit. And I did a Jesus and art on the top in the faux calligraphy, and remember, all you do is just thicken up your downstrokes. In order to do that, use your regular handwriting and then thicken up the downstrokes. And then I wrote out the verse from Proverbs 16:9, which is about God directing our steps, and I really like that verse. It's one of my favorite verses, so I wrote that verse on there. And then I did a tassel to go on it by just wrapping the string around one of my stamp pads, and I had a little trouble getting the string in there with the scissors, so I ended up pulling it off and putting it in there. I really kind of got frustrated making the tassel because it was not working as well as I wanted it to. I'm not a great tassel maker, but anyway, I did finally get it to work. I just wrapped the string around the top to keep the tassel, the top of the tassel in place, and wrapped it around several times so that you had to make the top of the tassel. And then I tied that and cut it off. And then I went through and trimmed the edges or the ends of the tassel to make it open up and be, look like a tassel's supposed to look. And then I just wrapped it through into the hole. And then I did some white splatter paints over the top of it with some gesso, and I stuck it in my Bible. So hope you guys enjoyed this. It was pretty simple and quick and easy. So hope you'll try it at home. Y'all have a great week.